Hi everyone, this is Tracy and I'm back for another video, and for today we're going to do another unboxing. Yes, another unboxing video. If you're a member of Coach Gun Rogue Facebook group, they posted, one of the members or two of the members posted that Nordstrom has a Coach bag on 70% off. Like on the website it was showing 60% off, but when you click on the item it shows 70% off. So as soon as I saw that posting on the group, I immediately went to Nordstrom.com and I got this bag. If you're a member of the Coach Gun Rogue group, then you know what I'm talking about. If you want to see what's inside this box, keep on watching. So let's start the unboxing time. This is a weird box. No, it's not a weird box, but there's no tapes. Like you don't see any tapes, but you just have to pull here. But I'm trying to open it. I can't. Let's try. This is real struggle unboxing. Or maybe I'm not doing it correctly. But we'll see. How do you open this? I received this box like a couple days ago. So I let it sit there in the box so that all the virus or bacteria that's on it will be gone before I do the unboxing, because I'll be putting it on my bed and then we'll be touching it everywhere. So how do you unbox this one? Oh, there's a lock. There you go. There's a lock. Here's my return label in case if I change my mind and don't like it. Here's my return label. This is nice. As you can see, Coach 1941. So this is part of the 1941 collection. Let's put this one down. This is a big 1941 dust bag. Oh, you see this one? This is the Coach Duffle. Yes, Coach Duffle bag. This is part of the 1941 collection. It's on smooth leather. I've been seeing the pebbled leather and I like how it slouches, but this one I'm not sure if it will slouch like the what do you call that, the pebbled leather, but it's soft. It is soft. There's some wrinkling in here, maybe because it was laying this way, so you can see it's like wrinkling here and here. Very minor scratches. You can see it there and here, minor scratches. Oh, there's like a, I don't know if this is a scratch or a dent. You can see that. This is the duffel in black, smooth Glovetanned leather, I believe. Yeah, this is Glovetanned leather. So it says there, genuine Glovetanned leather, and the stitching, like 1941 black, they have the goldenrod stitching, the contrast stitching, and the hardware is brass. You can hear it squeaking. The leather is squeaking. I like it. Let's do the smell test. Smells leather. I've seen this style on the Coach outlet website, but looking at the pictures, I don't like it. Like how it looks like, it seems like it's so big, but seeing this for the first time, it's not as big as I've expected. Let's look more closer look. So there's a tassel here, which I like. Zipper closure. Oh, got stuck in there. What happened? Oh, it's stuck. It won't open. Oh, okay. There's a part that it is stuck. I wonder why. There's nothing in it. There's nothing stuck in it. So you don't see any like Coach logo, just this hang tag, the 1941 hang tag, which is in black with the golden rod stitching, and it's on saddle collar the other side. It has a mini D-ring where the hang tag is, and the bottom has no feet. Shoulder strap. I heard this can be a crossbody, but I'm not sure. Let's look at the inside first. Okay, so it's smooth now. Okay, so let's remove the papers inside. There's a lot. There you go. So that's the inside. It has the 1941 canvas. There's the Coach crate. It has a zipper pocket with the 1941 care card. The price tag, in case you're wondering, that's the style number. But this one I got for 70% off. And then on the other side, it has a clip pocket with snap closure. It's really nice. I'm surprised. I like this one. And this one seems to be like when you have keys that you don't want to lose inside, because it's like a big hole, like bucket, and it's hard to just dig in if you're like going to use your keys. Just hook it there and then lock it, and there you go. That is nice. I like it. So if there's no papers inside, let's see if it will slouch. If it slouches, that's how it looks without any papers inside. So let's try it on. Let's put this one here. Let's try this on. Shoulder bag. Here we go. I like it if it will be more slouchy. This shoulder strap has 5 adjustments. This is on the middle part. Let's put it on the longest setting. So it will look like that. This is on the longest setting. Let's try it on crossbody. Okay, it can be used as a crossbody bag. I'm 5'8" for reference, but if you put it here, it's like high, so high. It's hard to get stuff into, but if it's in here, it's hard to get stuff in. It's like awkward. But if you just need your arms free, you can still put it as a crossbody. But if you'll be using it like just getting stuff in and out, I guess that would be okay. So that's what it looks like. Let's put it on the shortest setting. So if you put it on the shortest setting, it will reach up to the other side of the strap. By the way, the straps are removable. Yeah, these are removable. So let's wear it. This is on the shortest setting. It's nice. I like it. I like it. I'm surprised I like it. Then I've noticed on this the strap, you see the 1941 stamp. So let's try to put some stuff inside the bag and see how it looks like when it's full or something is inside. If this one will slouch, or I don't know how you say it, sag. Yeah, if it will sag. So right now it's empty and it looks like this. Let's put something in it. So what I'll be putting here is what I normally bring to when I go out, like go to work. So I have my power bank. Let's just dump it all in there. I have my sunglasses. I have a wallet, a full-size wallet. This is the Coach 1941 wallet. I have a coin purse, makeup pouch. I have another pouch, and I have my car keys. Let's put it on this area where you can hook your, oh, it's not easy to snap, but let's put it there. So this is what it looks like all dumped inside. That's what it looks like, and let's try it on. Oh, nice. It didn't really sag. Did you see? It didn't sag. I like that. I like it. It matches with my outfit too. I like it. Right now it feels comfortable and it's not slipping down my shoulder like, you know, some other bags will just slip off your shoulder. But this one, it sits there perfectly. I like it. Even if it's like slouchy or wrinkly look. And then let's add two more items because I live in Pacific Northwest. And it's raining right now. Let's add an umbrella, a small one, travel umbrella. Let's put it there. This is big enough to have an umbrella inside. And let's add a water bottle. So there's umbrella and water bottle. Close this. Ah, heavy. Heavy, but still not sagging. That's what it looks like, and it's already heavy right now. So there you go. That's it for our unboxing today. I hope you like it. I really like this bag. I ordered another one in different color because I don't know if I would like the black. This is the duffel I ordered first, but then members of the Coach Gun Rogue said like, oh, I like this hunter green, I like the saddle, I like the ops blood, so I ordered one more. But like, which one should I order? I want the ox blood, I want the saddle, I want the hunter green, but I cannot afford 3 or 4 duffels, so I ordered just one more. So we'll see if I like the other one, if I'll keep this one or keep both, or send one back to Nordstrom. But first impression, I like it. I like this bag. Classy. I think it's classy. I like the color of the hardware, gold, like brass hardware. I like it. Overall, I like this bag. That's my initial impression. I like it. So this is it for our unboxing video. I hope you enjoy it. I did enjoy the unboxing of this bag and I'm happy with this purchase. If you do like it, please click the like button and please support my channel by subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.